Yo, 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 what is going on, everybody? It is your boy Turbo back again, finally, after a long 2 years, I think it is. If I look at the last published video on the channel, that was still under my old name. This time, we're going to go by Turbo, CFG Turbo on YouTube, but gamertag in game is TurboJunkie34. It's been that for 8 years here on Xbox. Been playing Forza ever since Motorsport 4 and Horizon 1. So I've been around the Forza scene for a little while now. Obviously, some of you may know that. Others may not if you are new. And if you're new, that's great. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, because I do plan to stay motivated this time and keep getting some videos out here during the week. And probably on like Fridays and Saturday nights, we will be doing some live streams again on Twitch. So stay all tuned for that and all. But yeah, here we are. Forza Horizon 5. Audible upgrades are a thing, so obviously changing certain parts of an engine, exhaust, cams, intake, other things like flywheel will make it hit rev limiter faster, bounce off of it faster, little things like that. So obviously everybody can have a unique sounding car, or they can tend to have the same sounding car if A, they leave it stock, or B, they just fully upgrade it. So where's the happy sounding car in the middle that sounds best? Right here, in my opinion. So if you have the base model Supra, this here is the welcome pack. So a slight variation. The only difference between the welcome pack that I've found so far that's going to affect any of what we're doing in this video here today is the camshaft upgrade. Welcome pack cars will not have an option here in the custom upgrade screen for cams, because the car does come pre-installed with the race cams. So pointing this out, if you have just the regular 98 Supra, not the quote-unquote welcome pack car, make sure to put the race cams in or it will not sound the same. So going right ahead, we will obviously want to keep the stock 2JZ motor and do a single turbo conversion. Drivetrain swaps on you, but honestly, man, just keep it rear wheel drive. Don't be one of them Forza weebs, I think is what they call them nowadays. Yeah. Wide body kit, all that's all on you. So platform handling, drivetrain, aero and performance, tires and rims, your car, do your thing with it. This video here is only to show you how I got what I consider the best sound out of the 2JZ. So again, welcome pack cars already have race cams installed. Base model cars, make sure to get that in or it will not sound the same. One way to tell is if you look here, the graph that shows your RPM curve, like your torque curve, horsepower curve, and then what RPM it is throughout. You see the 10 in the bottom right there. Basically that means 10,000 RPM. You'll get to about 9,500 if you are on race cams. If not, it'll be shorter than that. It'll probably go to about 85, maybe 8 at the lowest. But yeah, to get started on the upgrades to the car right away: race intake, stock fuel system, stock ignition, stock engine block, stock valves, sport exhaust. So as you can tell, stock exhaust would be sport exhaust, so it already sounds a little bit better. So continuing on, we got stock pistons and compression, stock intercooler. I accidentally skipped over to single turbo, but you will want sport turbo there. Flywheel I left stock so it doesn't just spike RPM all over the place. And we got stock oil and cooling. So that's pretty much how I got the best sounding Supra, in my opinion. So here I will just cut the video. We will go to just some sound clips of me driving it around, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.